In front of me is INFINIX Hot 60i, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. You need to begin by finding and opening Gallery app, and then deciding if you want to delete your photos from Photos or Albums section. Let's start with Photos. Hold one you wanna get rid of, and to select multiple from this section, click on this icon at the top right corner. If you want to delete them from all of your sections, I have only one, but you probably have multiple. Click on this one at the top right corner of your screen. Now, to keep some of those photos, tap on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To delete your photos from albums, click on them. Select an album from which you want to delete them. Hold one, and this time use this icon at the top right corner right away. Tap on the photos you wanna keep, and use the same bin button at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!